Hello, welcome everybody to my video series of testing Orange P5 with 16 gigabytes of RAM. It's just released before 1 month. I received it in 5 of January. So let's start. So here I received a comment on one of my videos to try LibreOffice. So first of all, I want to say that installing of LibreOffice on Linux is even easier even for Windows, because you just have to write one Linux command. Let me find the exact command. Yes, here is it. So when I wrote that, you can see in Office you have all available Office packets. So if I'm honest, if somebody needs a computer for office work, this Orange P maybe will be enough. So let's try. I just downloaded few files. Let's open them. So here is some Word file. I just wrote tax payment, so we can modify. Pretty straightforward. Here you can write some number. I don't know why this wrote these strange words. Never mind. Maybe there is something else which have to be done here. You can see writing so many things. Saving. So you can see one bug here. It's not super cool. Okay, let's save. Open again. Again, we have this problem here. Maybe not the best one. Maybe it's because of the Orange P. In future I will try to install pure Linux or Raspbian. Maybe Raspbian is better than this Orange P distro. You can see there is some lag here. Here not so much. Okay, let's open another document. Here I don't see some lagging. It's pretty smooth. Let's change the color. For example, blue color. Let's make a header. Boolean bigger size times New Roman, for example. Okay, not searching, or maybe it doesn't exist. Okay, Ubuntu white. Heading. Okay, I don't like this. Default. I saw times New Roman, but okay. Bold 20. Okay. Okay. I'm not looking what I'm recording. Sorry for that. Okay, so I think this is enough.